Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could be a game changer for automotive enthusiasts and everyday car owners alike, the WoldoClean Super Glue. We discovered this heavy-duty adhesive while browsing online and thought it was worth a closer look. You can find the link in the description below to check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the WoldoClean Super Glue? This is a 25-gram cyanoacrylate adhesive specifically designed for automotive use. It's formulated to bond a variety of materials, making it an essential tool for anyone looking to make quick and reliable repairs on their vehicles. Whether you're dealing with emblems, badges, bumpers, or interior and exterior trim, this glue promises to deliver strong adhesion for all your automotive needs. Let's talk about some of the standout features. First and foremost, this adhesive is heat-resistant and waterproof. This means it can withstand the rigors of outdoor conditions, whether it's the blazing sun, heavy rain, or even those freezing winters. It's built to resist peeling and ensure that your repairs hold up over time. Another impressive feature is its versatility. The WoldoClean Super Glue bonds effectively with a range of materials including ABS, vinyl, polypropylene, polycarbonate, chrome, glass, fiberglass, and even painted panels. This makes it an ideal solution not just for cars and trucks, but also for a variety of plastic and metal items around your home. One of the most significant advantages of this glue is its ease of use. You don't need any clamps or activators, just apply a small drop, press the surfaces together for about 30 seconds, and you'll have a bond that can last for years. Plus, it dries crystal clear, leaving no unsightly white residue or stains on your paintwork, which can be particularly crucial for maintaining the aesthetics of your vehicle. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're a DIY enthusiast who enjoys working on your own car repairs, or even a professional mechanic, this adhesive can be a fantastic addition to your toolkit. It's also perfect for everyday car owners who may need to make quick fixes without the hassle of visiting a shop. Let's explore some practical use cases. Imagine you have a badge that has come loose from your car's exterior. Instead of paying for a replacement or a professional fix, a small drop of WoldoClean Super Glue can reattach it in seconds. Or perhaps your side mirror trim has cracked? This adhesive can seamlessly bond the pieces back together, saving you time and money. Additionally, if you have dashboard cracks or need to secure a decal that just won't stick, this glue is your go-to solution. It's also effective for door panels and body parts, ensuring that everything stays in place no matter how rough the journey gets. The anti-clog cap is another feature worth mentioning, which helps keep the adhesive fresh for future use. This means you won't have to worry about the glue drying out prematurely, making it a reliable choice for those unexpected repairs. In summary, the WoldoClean Super Glue is a versatile and durable solution for all your automotive adhesive needs. From bonding emblems and badges to fixing trim and decals, its heat-resistant and waterproof formula ensures long-lasting results. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget